Hey guys, hey girls, hey boys. If you're new to my channel, my name is Marii, also known as MariiiBajariii here on YouTube. Hello, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, as you can tell by the face, I am doing a super quick and easy Thanksgiving makeup tutorial. I know some of us may go out and have some dinner with the family. Some of us even might just even go to our living room and have some dinner. So whether you're going out or you're going to your living room, this is the makeup look that you can do. So if you guys are interested to see how to get this makeup look right here, I suggest you keep on watching. But before we start this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you're notified every single time your girl posts. And without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Okay guys, so Thanksgiving is coming up. We need to get our makeup done to go onto our living room. Yes, I said my living room because most likely my family's gonna be having Thanksgiving here or my grandpa's, and honestly, like, sometimes you want to go glam. I mean, I usually go glam every single year because it's just fun to do my makeup, but if not, if you're just in your living room, just be comfy, be in some pajamas, do whatever you want. But we all gotta get glam, we all gotta get ready to go to our living room. Unless you're going somewhere far, but if you're Latin, it's most likely in your house or down the street somewhere, yeah. So I have a few palettes in front of me with a whole bunch of warm colors. I got the Daisy palette, I got the Thirsty palette, and I know that's like, over here is the warm tones. But yeah, so I'm not too sure what I want to do yet. I'm just gonna go with the flow. I already have my face base on. I have like a little bit of bronzer in my eyes just from earlier, but I'm not gonna be focusing on the face because I did film an everyday makeup look that will be either up before this video or after. If it's up already, go watch it. I'm not too sure yet. So yeah, let's just get right into this tutorial and put some turkey browns in the crease, okay? Okay, so I'm first gonna go into the Daisy Marquez palette, and I'm going to take the shade Dulce right here, which is like a light brown color, using a Morphe M441 blending brush. Honestly, I'm not sure if this is gonna show up since I already have bronzer in the crease, but I don't know, we gotta start with something. And I'm just going to blend this into the crease to get started. Also, do you guys peep the decorations behind me? I know it's Thanksgiving coming up, but I'm already in the Christmas spirit. I'm like literally listening to Christmas songs every single time I go into my car. I have Justin Bieber's Mistletoe album on repeat. Also, if you guys see that bottle in the background, it's a wine bottle that my friend got me for my 21st birthday. It's super cute. It says Stay Blooming. I'm never gonna drink that unless I just get really sad. So yeah, it's back there. Okay, so now that I put that color in the crease, I kind of want to take the shade Vintage because it's a like reddish orange color. Yeah, so I'm actually going to go in with the shade Vintage using a Vasanti contour eyeshadow brush just to warm up the crease a little more. Okay, so that's enough for the Daisy Marquez palette. Now I'm gonna move on to Jeffree Star's Thirsty palette, and I'm gonna take a little bit of the shade Stroke right here using a Morphe M514 brush. Again, this is more on the warmer side, like an orangey warmer side. That's like the goal I'm going for because Thanksgiving just screams like orange tones to me. So I'm applying this into the crease again. This one is a little darker than the Vintage shade from the Daisy Marquez palette. That one's a lot more warmer. So I'm just going to use this to darken it a little more. But make sure you guys could still see like the Vintage shade up here. I'm going to go back into the Daisy palette. I thought I was done, but I'm not. I'm going to take a little bit of the shade Cocoa using the same Morphe M514 brush just to darken it up a little more because it is kind of looking like the same color. But I do want to darken it on the outer corner, so I'm going to just pack it like so and then blend in a little bit just so I can give it like a little bit of dimension. I'm gonna go back into the other Morphe blending brush and just blend it out whatever product was left on the brush. I'm not gonna add anymore. Okay, so now for the lid, I want to do something shimmery. Something definitely from the Thirsty palette because these are freaking gorgeous. So I'm going to take a Sigma Firm Shader E57 brush and take this shade Plunge from the Jeffree Star palette, which is this one right here. I don't know if I'm gonna have to wet the brush. I might have to. I think I'm gonna wet the shade. Yeah, if you wet the shade, it definitely comes out nicer. I'm gonna try applying it with my finger too. Oh my god, it has a lot of fallout. Oh yeah, but if you use your finger, it's so much prettier. Let's see if I can brush away the fallout without ruining the face makeup. So I'm just gonna start off by packing it on with the brush, and then I'm gonna go in and use my finger. Every time I want like a shimmer shade, I just go ham, like I can't stop. Literally me right now. Okay, so I'm gonna stop right there. I'm gonna go back into today's Marquez palette, add a little bit more of cocoa on the outer corner, just to blend it all together. And then take a little bit more of Vintage and Stroke, just to blend it out. Okay, so now to smoke out the lower lash line, I like to use a dark shade. So I'm gonna use Cocoa and Vintage. I know they're like two different shades, but I'm just gonna use that to line the lower lash line. And then I'm gonna take a pencil brush and smoke it out using Stroke. So I'm using a, great. Where's the brush I like to use? Oh, here it is. Okay, so I'm using a Sigma small angle brush, which is the E65, to line the lower lash line. And getting a dark eyeshadow makes it act like you're using liner, but in reality you're not. So now I'm taking the shade Stroke from the Thirsty palette using a BH Cosmetics pencil brush. And I'm just going to smoke it out. Okay, so now that my eyes are pretty much finished, we'll add the inner corner later. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes. I'm going to be using Baddie INSTAHOE lashes. You guys know the drill. These are my OGs, my go-to. I freaking love them. So now that the lashes are now on, don't they just like make the look so much better? I'm gonna go in with my Sigma mascara and apply that to my lower lashes because they need some reviving. Okay, I don't want to put too much. I think that's good. And then I'm going to highlight my inner corner using the Laurant X Dose of Colors highlight, which is Soulmates, and I'm taking a Morphe M515 brush to apply it. And then I'm gonna take a little bit on a fan brush just to intensify my highlight a little more. Alright, so now for the lips, the last part, I'm going to be lining my lips using my LA Girl Keep It Spicy lip liner. I'm just going to do this first. I'm not too sure what lipstick or liquid lipstick I want to use yet. So I am going to line my lips using Keep It Spicy. Alright, so now for the lips, I'm using this Steve Laurent liquid lipstick. I got it from, I think, Generation Beauty. I'm pretty sure. Or when I went with Ipsy, they had like a whole bunch of lipsticks and this is one of them. And this is in the shade Posh. I think this is going to be a good combo. Let's see. So I don't know if this is matte or not. I'm thinking it might not be matte, so I'm not gonna put too much on, just a little, like so. It kind of looks just like the lip liner, just in a lipstick form. You guys, I am obsessed. I'm obsessed with this look. It's like, it was super quick and easy, and it just makes you look very festive, very ready for some turkey, for some stuffing, for some gravy. Leave a comment down below on your favorite entree on Thanksgiving. Alright guys, so I went ahead and fixed up my hair, added this little clip. I feel like with the sweater and this pearl clip, I look very like child of God, very innocent, you know? Yeah, I am obsessed with this makeup look. It was super easy, super quick, even though I just did the eyes, but if you know how to do your face makeup like this, then your eye makeup is going to be super easy, and I love it. I'm obsessed with it. I hope you guys are too. So that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you'd like to see in the future. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my Angel channel, which is MariiiBajariii and Angel. The link will be down below. Stay bloomy, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. And happy Thanksgiving.
We dancing.